Exercise and eating right are two ways to practice healthy living, but would you believe you can also be healthy by vacuuming? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about the right way to keep it clean. Are you tired of cleaning your shower? Let Wet and Forget Shower clean it for you. Wet and Forget is the quickest, easiest way to keep your shower sparkling clean. Just spray the shower top to bottom and you're done. The next morning, simply rinse it clean. That's it. Use Wet and Forget Shower once a week to tackle soap scum, shower grime, mold, and mildew stains. No scrubbing, no bleach, and no harsh fumes. Don't waste time scrubbing your shower. Pick up a bottle of Wet and Forget Shower at the Home Depot or Lowe's. Visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. Almost everyone will agree that a clean home is a healthy home. Vacuuming the floors should be a weekly chore to help you keep your home on the healthy list, but not all vacuums are created equally. Typical upright and canister vacuums actually help contribute to the scattering of dust and allergens, even those with specialized built-in filters, because the minute you turn them on, they're exhausting right back into the room. This is a good reason to consider a central vacuum system instead. It doesn't recirculate particles and allergens because it's exhausted outside. In fact, central vacuums can reduce allergy symptoms from dust inside your home by up to 61% versus an upright or canister model. Plus, they have up to 5 times more cleaning power, and that's nothing to sneeze about. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.